offering flowers at the holy feet of the Divine Mother, we begin this video. Hi! Yes, you guessed it right. This video is all about flowers. Springtime, garden blooming all over the world this season. Spring is a time when flowers bloom and trees begin to grow and reproduce after the harsh winter. Taking long walks and seeing flowers in bloom, warmer weather and increased daylight makes the season so great. And why is it called spring? Because plants begin to rise from the ground. According to the Hindu calendar, this season occurs in the months of Chaitra and Baisakhi. Spring in India is around mid-February to mid-April and is known as Vasant Rutu or Basant. Let's enjoy this magical season of natural splendor, starting our journey from my sister Revati's garden in Balaji, South Kodagu, Karnataka. Impatiens, orchids, pansy, marigolds, bougainvilleas, button roses and many more are grown. Rani Karyappa's courtyard in Balale, South Kodagu is a sight to behold. Lotus, hibiscus and a variety of fragrant blooms abound. Stepping into the Malnad region, Chikmagalur, lush greenery welcomes you. Pragya's estate is full of bewitching colored flowers, shrubs and plants. Rekha is happy to show us her springtime wonders in a Dharwad home, periwinkle, pretty lilies and a splash of May-flowering trees. Leela Sridevi has sent us these lovely flowers from a garden in Mumbai. Yes, this is the famous Ooty Gardens. Ashok Maharaj is brimming with joy to take us through the Ooty Ramakrishna Mutt garden. The Holy Trio's radiance is felt here, giving all the flowers grown here a special dewy freshness. This is Sini Priya's mother's garden in Impal, Manipur. Fresh icy lettuce, cabbages and berries are harvested this time. Coming back to Mysore, Kriti's garden has a neat patch of lilies and a riot of colorful flowers which the mother and daughter duo use to create an artistic floral design every day. Mysuru is a heavenly place this time. Nalini's spacious and lush garden is full of flowering bushes and trees. And Geeta, our friend, cares for her orchids dearly. Deepti's pride is her Brahma Kamals and Rangoon creeper, radiating fragrance around. Spring 2022 in the Northern Hemisphere is on and ends in June. Uma Kushalappa from London has clicked some wonderful pictures for us. Tulips, spring stars, daffodils, apple and cherry blossoms, and pictures of the rapeseed fields too. Kiran Maharaj from the Ramakrishna Vedanta Center, Ireland, has sent us such lovely visuals of flowers, so mildly hued, dainty, and angelic to behold. Shruti's garden in Portland, USA is full of maple blossoms, exotic flowers. This is my mother's pride. The fragrant jasmine pot in Shobha's porch stands testimony to the change of seasons from winter to spring to summer and now ready to welcome the monsoon. Southern parts of India is already experiencing rains at the moment, and we hope to catch a few Mungaru Male scenes for our next video. Till then, enjoy springtime, spread joy and happiness around, and let's keep our environment green and clean. Bye bye.